Hello friends, this is Pramil Pawar. In this video, we will discuss the question paper of UGC-NET July 2016. This is paper 3 of electronic science. Here we'll see from question number 26 to 50. So here is question number 26. For the half-wave rectifier circuit, IDC is given by. So here it's asking for DC current, particularly for half-wave rectifier. So we know the rectifier formula, which is Im upon pi, and to calculate the DC current, 1 over 2 pi 0 to pi Im sin omega t. So here you can calculate. So A and C are correct. While calculating this, you will get this expression. Now question number 27. For clocked sequential circuits, following statements are given. The speed of operation depends on the maximum allowed clock frequency. So this statement is correct here. The memory elements are latches or gate circuits with feedback producing the latch operation. This is not correct. In sequential circuits, any number of inputs can change simultaneously during the absence of the clock also. So this is also correct. The input can change anytime in sequential circuit. This is not correct. So A and C is correct. So we know that in sequential circuit, our present state depends on the present input as well as previous output. On the other hand, in combinational circuits, our present output depends on the present input only. So here is now question number 28. JK flip-flop has previous output 1. Previous output is 1 in a JK flip-flop. For making output at level 1, following statements are given. So I'd like to show you the truth table of JK flip-flop. So question is that previous is 1 and in the next state should be 1. So when JK input is 0 0, there is no change in the state. It remains 1. So A is the correct. J and K should be 0. And another, the output will be 1 if input is 1 0 regardless the previous state. So B is also correct. So A and B, here third one option is correct. Now question number 29. In virtual memory system, the address space specified by the address lines of the CPU must be. So here smaller than the physical memory size. This is not correct. Should be larger than the physical memory size. This is correct. Larger than the secondary storage size, not, should be smaller than the secondary storage size. So here B and D is correct. Third one is the correct answer. Question number 30. A sequence of 2 instructions that multiplies the contents of DE register pair by 2 and stores the results in the HL register pair. So if you remember the register structure of microprocessor 8085, have 8-bit accumulator and 8-bit flag register, B, C, D, E and HL. So here we have to D register pair by 2 means we have to double the D contents of D register and result store into HL. Instruction is given XCHG. Operation of this is that the contents of HL is exchanged with the contents of DE register pair. XTHL. Operation of this is that contents of HL is exchanged with the top of stack. So first 2 memory registers contents is exchanged with the this 88-bit register. DADB, which is double addition. Here register we indicate the single register, but we consider the register pair here and first register we indicate here. So double addition, the operation of this instruction is that contents of HL is added with this register pair and that R is specified here and result is stored into HL. So now To perform this operation, first we move the contents of D into HL using this instruction XGHG, and the next, when that D contents move into the HL, the same HL contents will add with the HL and result will be stored into the HL. So D is the D will perform second step. So A and A followed by D. 3 is the correct option. Now question number 31. Inline function in C++ decrease the code size, increase the code size, speed up execution, slows down execution. So it increases the code size and speeds up execution. So B and C is correct. Third one is the correct. Question number 32. Let A be an array. Which of the following cannot be present in the left hand side of an assignment statement? So A plus I at the rate A of I star is pointer A plus I. So only this we can represent left hand side. A, B and C cannot. So third one is the correct. Question number 33. Isolator is used as to protect the source. So now that isolator is a offload device. It's used as to protect the source. Used to provide free transmission. This is not correct. A 2-port device. This is correct. 4-port device not correct. So A and C is correct. 1 is the correct answer. Question number 34. The general solution of the transmission line equations consists of two waves traveling in opposite directions with unequal magnitude of this and this. The resultant amplitude is when this the is opposite in opposite direction. So their total amplitude is here. So B is the correct one. And we know the relation of cosine or sine sinusoidal path with exponential. So putting the value of this, easily we can get this B option. So A is also correct. We know that cos beta z is equal to e to the power j beta z plus e to the power minus j beta z upon 2, and similarly sine beta z is equal to e to the power j beta z minus e to the power minus j beta z upon 2j. On putting cos and sine, we will get this expression B. So here A and B are correct. First one is the correct. Question number 35. Which of the below mentioned statements are incorrect? The Fourier series of a non-periodic function consists of summation of harmonics of fundamental frequency. First of all, I'd like to say Fourier series is for periodic signals. For non-periodic signals, we have Fourier transform. So this statement is not correct. When sinusoidal excitation is applied to a linear system, the response is also sinusoidal and has the same frequency as the excitation. So this is correct. The Fourier series of a periodic function consists summation of harmonics of fundamental frequencies. So this is also correct. When sinusoidal excitation is applied to a linear system, the response is also sinusoidal. However, there is change in the frequency of excitation. This is not correct. So please read the question carefully. It's asking the incorrect statement. So A and D are incorrect. So third one is the correct option. Now question number 36. Which of the following statements are correct? Digital communication systems use less bandwidth than equivalent analog system. So this is not correct. Signal to noise ratio for PCM or delta modulation can often be improved by compending. This is correct. Passband transmission is used for transmission of digital message in the high frequency range. This is also correct. Delta modulation needs lower sampling rate than PCM for equivalent results. It's not correct. So B and C are correct. Third one is the correct answer. Attenuation in optical fibers can be caused due to the following reasons. So attenuation is a type of loss in the uh, relay scattering caused due to structural imperfections in the fiber material. So this is correct reason. Axial misalignment occurs while connecting fiber to fiber. So this is also uh, the correct reason. Use of different modes of operation is not a reason. Due to use of cladding in the construction of optical wire is also not a reason. So A and B is the correct option. Fourth one is the correct answer. Question number 38. Which of the following statements are true for UJT, unijunction transistor? To turn a UJT on, the forward bias on emitter diode should be more than the peak point voltage. So here this statement is correct. When the emitter lead of UJT is open, the resistance between its two base is infinite. This is not correct. When a UJT is turned on, the resistance between emitter and base 1 is increased. This is also not correct. When input positive voltage to the emitter of UJT exceeds the peak point voltage, the emitter current quickly reaches the saturation. This is correct. So A and D is the correct option. So fourth one is the correct. Now 39. Read the following statements regarding signal analysis. The dynamic response of the structure is measured by vibration transducers. So this statement is correct here. The frequency at which the system resonates can be determined. So at resonance, our imaginary part is 0 and we calculate the frequency from that expression. So it's also correct. The dynamic response of the structure cannot be measured by vibration transducer. So this is not correct. The frequency at which the system resonates is always 0. This is also not correct. So A and B is correct. So first one is the correct answer. Question number 40. Read the following statements. A decrease in the value of time constant of a control system indicates that the steady state reaches earlier. So this statement is correct. An increase in the time constant of a control system indicates that steady state reaches earlier. This is not correct. Our time constant should be, if it is decreasing, means it will reach early at steady state. It's very simple. Lower is the time constant, faster is the time response of the system. This is also correct. Higher is the time constant, faster time response of the system. This is not correct. So A and C are correct. Third one is the correct one. Question number 41. Match the following. So here total transfer function of overall gain is given in list 2. We have to match with corresponding list 1. So for UJT is given in the fourth one. So here UJT matches with fourth one. BJT is matched with this. Here transfer function is given minus HAT RL upon HIE. For feedback amplifier, simply it is A upon 1 minus AB. And for op-amp, so here integrated circuit, the output is given minus 1 upon RC integration of VDT. So our correct sequence is 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Second one is the correct answer. Now question number 42. Match the following lists. In list 1, signal is given in time domain, and list 2 in frequency domain. So Fourier transform is given. So x of t plus t naught, its Fourier transform is simply e to the power j omega t naught, x of omega. X of t minus t naught, its Fourier transform e to the power minus j omega t naught, x of omega. Match this minus t naught with this minus. Okay. So x of at, a is greater than 0. So it would be Fourier transform is 1 over a x of omega upon a. This is capital X, not multiplication. X of at, a less than 0. It is 1 upon mod a x of omega upon a. So if a is less than 0 or negative, or amplitude is always positive. So here 1 upon mod a. So these matched with first one. So correct sequence is 4, 3, 2, 1. Again 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 is the correct answer. Now here in list 1, the electronic circuitry is given, and in list 2 their corresponding expressions are given. So for full wave rectifier, so here it is pi upon 2 root 2. PN junction diode AQ dp upon LP ND plus DN upon LN N square. For gun diode it is rep minus del E upon KT naught, and for JFET the expression is given here. So correct sequence is 3, 4, 1, 2. Third one is the correct answer. Question number 44. Match the following list in terms of speed of logic families. So for bipolar TTL, it matches with 3.3 nanosecond. The CMOS is 3.7 nanosecond. Bipolar ECL is 0.22 nanosecond, and last one is first one. So correct is 4321. First one is the correct answer. Now question number 45. Match the following in the context of 8086 microprocessor. Here it is linker, aligned here linker. The program used to join several object files into one large object file. So A is connected with 2. Now the locator is the program used to assign the specific address to find location of this. So this is connected to fourth one, of where the segments of object code are to be loaded into memory. Or editor, it is program which allows to create a file containing the assembly language statement for the program. And debugger is for program which allows to load object code program into system memory. So this is our correct sequence is 2, 4, 1, 3. Here fourth one is the correct answer. Question number 46. As the following in the context of C. Here this ampersand present to bitwise and operation. This is our assignment operator, equal sign, and this is for logical and operation. So logical operator, and this is relational operator. So correct is 4, 2, 1, 3. 4, 2, 1, 3. Fourth one is the correct answer. Now question number 47. Match the following list which reference to parameters of transmission line. Inductance of parallel wire line. Inductance of parallel wire line is given here in fourth one. Inductance of coaxial line is given here in first one. We can diffuse between this here v0 upon 2 pi for coaxial line. It is v0 upon 2 pi natural log b upon a. For parallel wire line, it is v0 upon pi natural log b upon. For b is very important. Okay. Now phase shift is 2 pi by lambda, and phase velocity is 1 over 2 del c. So correct sequence is 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is the correct answer. Now question number 48. Match the following list. In list 1, the power is given, and list 2, their total power is given. So expression for total power is given. For AM, it is PC carrier power 1 plus m square by 2. M is here is the modulation index. For power for double sideband suppressed carrier is AC m square by 2. For VSB vestigial sideband, it is function of m square by 4 PC plus m square by 4 PC. And for SSB, which minimum power is required, which is PG m square by 4. So minimum bandwidth is also required in single sideband, because if this is our carrier, and there are two sidebands, both sidebands carry same information, so no need to send both the sidebands So we suppress one sideband, and the carrier does not contain any information, so we suppress this also, and it calls single sideband only. Okay, so our answer is 4 1 3 2. 4 1 3 2. First one is the correct answer. Now question number 49. Match the role as per list 2 of the below mentioned parts. List 1 of the optical fiber communication setup. So here LED or laser will be matched with couple output power to the fiber. Here is fourth one. Pin photodiode, avalanche photodiode. This is with third one. Accepts fiber output to their input. And optical fiber splicing. This is first matches with first one. Joining of two optical fibers, optical fiber connectors. This terminates the ends of the optical fiber. So our correct is 4 3 1 2. 4 3 1 2. Third one is the correct answer. Now question number 50. Match the following list. So here is you can see the waveforms, and in this two we have to match with. So here is simple, is for sampler, and the continuous signal is given here. From continuity you can easily observe. For practical sampling, this is for practical sampling, and for ideal sampling, this one last one, where only amplitude we consider. So 3 4 1 2. 3 4 1 2. Second one is the correct answer. So that's all about for this video. For next question, so 51 to 75, we will continue in the next video. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your attention. Your all suggestions are most welcome. Please like, share, and comment, and subscribe my channel for more useful videos. All the best, friends.